All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Toyota RAV4. It is the XLE model, this beautiful electric blue with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, sunroof, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks nice. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire third here is just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks really good. Here's your rear driver's side rim, very nice. I do not see any curbing here either. Tire third is over 1030 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. That's a nice shot of your sunroof. Boom. Your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Pow. Got connectors and stuff like that. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 20,291. Looks good. Keep the car on. Fog lights are on. AC works. Here's your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, I don't see any no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, your rear bumper looks nice. This color is beautiful. Exactly, or lift gate looks good. Nice, nice trunk looks good. Big and spacious. Does have a spare tire with some tools. And I did put away your owner's manuals right there, as you can see it. All right, coming around. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread over 1030 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is at just under 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is running. Sunroof. Beautiful, beautiful car. Once again, a 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE model with 20,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.